Hi guys, it's Joe here from Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the walk around video of this lovely Kawasaki Ninja 650. This one's a 2018 on an 18 plate, it's done 8,856 miles and as you can see the bike is a Bobby Dazzler. You get a digital display on these, ABS, you get a gear indicator, fuel gauge, and this one's lovely. It's got the seat cowl on it, it's got the tail tidy, you do get the seat and the pegs as well with it. Looks fantastic in that Nardo grey. These seem to be a really popular bike. These have overtaken the ER6 now. So obviously ER6, a bit more of a naked bike. These look super cool. And actually do a cup of racing in these in BSB as well. So they're really, really popular. I'm sure you just had a good look at it in the promo video before and it does sound fantastic. So if you do want it, you know what to do. You can also ride these bikes on an A2 licence with a restrictor. So give us a call, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and get it snapped up before someone else does. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.